Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. You are watching Fun Times Art and Animation, and today we're going to present a FIFA World Cup special drawing tutorial, how to draw Cristiano Ronaldo using MS Paint. This is the 6th episode of sports drawing tutorials. If you missed the previous episode, please check the video description. Video link also available in the I button. इस ड्राइंग को बनाने में मुझे 30 घंटे का 30 नहीं भाई 3 घंटे का वक्त लगा था, और एक ड्राइंग वीडियो को बनाने में यार बहुत ज़्यादा मेहनत लगती है, इसलिए अगर संभव हुआ तो पूरा वीडियो ज़रूर देखना। और अगर वीडियो में कोई खामी नज़र आए या फिर आपके पास मेरे वीडियो कंटेंट रिलेटेड कोई भी सवाल हो या फिर कोई सजेशन हो तो वो भी कमेंट सेक्शन में मेरे साथ शेयर करना, ठीक है। If you are new here and interested in art and animation, you must subscribe my channel for more interesting informative art videos because we delivered such interesting content daily basis. So what are you waiting for? Go hit the subscribe button and be a part of our journey, and it is absolutely free of cost. Now enjoy the complete video. See you at the end.
Whether it's working or shots, give it all that I got. You can watch me work in my element. Anyone in the way is irrelevant. You wanna cross me, cool, not intelligent, cause I don't forget shit like an elephant. Go ahead and tempt me, put it on the line and you'll come up empty. If I got time, I'm deadly. Never caught off guard, no, I'm always ready. I got a hand real steady. Look me in the eye and you'll see no hezzy. About to get real messy. I'll put you in a grave 6 feet like Kenny.
If you are enjoying the video, please leave a like. You can also share your valuable feedback with us in the comment section. We provide such interesting informative art content daily basis. If you are interested in art, you can subscribe my channel and be a part of our journey. Through this channel, I also provide commission art service. If you want a realistic sketch of yourself or your close ones, you can connect us through the comment, or you can also DM me through the social media link available in the description. If you are new here, you must visit my channel. I am sure you will be enjoy every single video published on this channel. For your smooth experience, I already created various playlists based on the art category. So what are you waiting for? Complete the video and continue the amazing journey with Fun Times Art and Animation.
stain which has determined your fate. I've never seen so clear.
So this is the final piece of art. If you like my work, share the video with your friends. Also subscribe the channel for more interesting, informative art tutorials. You can also share your valuable feedback with us in the comment section. So that's it for today. We will be right back with another interesting, informative art tutorials. Till then, take care. See you soon.